Hey.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
No es cuestión de actitud.
So I wanna go out and film Parque El Poblado. Please ensure you give the video a like, man, and subscribe to my channel. I'm right here to give you more videos from Medellin, Colombia. So let's go that way, okay? Yeah, let's go that way. That way, yeah. So we can film around. See right there.
Ah, yes.
Hey. The guys here, man, are really, really hot. Bless you, you know? Yeah. Super dressed to kill. So I'm going up. Right behind me, where you see something green, that is a very popular park, but right now it's closed because they're trying to do some renovations. So next time you come here, before you go to Parque Geras, which is up, go to this park. It's called Park El Poblado. It's for locals, and here you'll meet local guys and get to talk to them, you know. The other one is more, nowadays is more of like for hookahs and stuff, so you have to be very careful, you know. But right behind me where you see that green is called Park El Poblado. Parque is park in English, parque, so you say Parque El Poblado. And yeah, it's closed. You see it's green right there. Yeah, it's closed, but it's a very, very popular park. I want to show you something they call Chiva. Chiva is a bus where people party, okay, like the one you see here. Look at it. There. Okay. Hey, you wanna say hey to my camera? Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. You see yourself on YouTube? Yeah.
Apparently it should be right around here somewhere.
So that is Park El Poblado, which is closed, okay? Yeah, we're still going up, and this place is more of students, so you see a lot of students around here. Yeah, let me show you where you see the students. You know, I'm giving you raw information. Many people will just show you and nothing, no information. Okay, so right there, long time ago, where you see down there, that was the park. But now, because they have closed the park, now people have moved it to this side right here. Okay, right there. So all this building, people who used to be in that park, now they are in this building right here. Okay, and that's the traffic right here. Dominicana.
¿Cómo cuadramos esta cosa?
Por la mesa del picnic, weón. Tanto llegáis y
Hey, what's up? You speak English? So, so the way you're seeing here, this is more of students, and it's a place where students sit down and just talk and interact. Most of them here smoke weed. Yeah, that's how it is here. And there's nothing like, you know, I hear somebody calling me. It's very common for me to hear people calling me here. So, yeah, it's a student park here. It's purely a student park. Purely people drink. It's like a cheap way of partying, you know. And as I told you, right behind me, you can see something green showing right here on the finger. Right here. Yeah, it's because right there, it used to be a park. And now they have closed the park. All is about renovation. Right behind me, you see that right there. So because of that, students have moved from there and they have come to this side. As you see, let me show you. Yeah, right here. Okay. So we do a small walk. Yeah. I could take you. So that's the students park. And sure, give the video a like, man. Subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to the big packageras up. So I think maybe you guys will like the other video more because it's more, I don't know. People just like packageras because there are too many working girls. Yeah, so let me go up and I'll show you how it is, okay? Up. Boom.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.